morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra today going to revision of the 4th chapter class 8 Adobe Photoshop CC. So Adobe Photoshop is very popular software of the Photoshop is a graphics editing program developed by the Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is widely used by the million of graphics artists, web developer, photographs as well as the people who use is the hobby. Most of the posters, magazine, cover book, brochure are created in this software. So Adobe Photoshop are the very useful software. Recap of this chapter is Adobe Photoshop, popularly known as the Photoshop's a graphics editing program developed by the Adobe Photoshop. And layer effects preserve the original state of an image while manipulating another version of it through another layers. And Photoshop offers various panels that can be either grouped, stacked or the docked. They include the color panel, switches panels, style panel, tool panel, layer panel, adjustment panel and history panel. And the selection tools are used to select an image or a part of it to perform cut, copy, edit, retouching operations. And the magnetic lasso tools is especially useful for the equally selecting object with the complex edge set against the high contrast background. The crop tools is used to select a specified area that you want to focus and remove the unwanted part outside to selected area of a picture. And the movie tools is used to drag selected part of an image to a new location in image. And the gradient tools is used to fill an area with an range of color in the specified pattern. And now fill in the blanks. The swatches, the dash panels store the most frequently used color. Answer is swatches. And second, the content aware patch allow you to heal undesirable portions of an image. And third, the tool panel works like a art's paint box which hold all the drawing part used to draw. And the crop tools is used to select a specified area that you want to focus on it and remove the unwanted part. Most of the tools have a small white triangle at the bottom right corner. And the gradient tools creates a blend of two or more color. Now true false. First questions. Lasso tools is used to bunch of three very useful tools that are used for the freehand sketch selection statement. True. The menu bar is present on the bottom of the Photoshop windows. False. And marquee tool is the blanking selection border. That is the false. And fourth, there are three types of the selection tools in the Photoshop. And false. Fourth, there are the three types of selection tools in the Photoshop. False. And the move tools is used to drag the selected part of an image to the new location image. This is true. And now application based question. Poonam is wildlife photographer. In one of her photographs she want to focus only one line in the pride and remove the rest. Which tools can we use? Crop tools. And second question, Vidya has insert an image of the penguin in her file. She wants to select and the irregular area of the image. Suggest the tools that will serve her purpose. The answer is the lasso tools. And MCQ questions. Which is the latest version of the Adobe Photoshop? Answer is CC. And who invented the Photoshop? Answer is Thomas Knoll. And third question, which bar show the different option of the currently selected tools? Answer is toolbar. What is the default extension of the Adobe Photoshop? Answer is .psd. And fifth, which tools is used to select the adjacent area of the same color in an image? Answer is crop tools. And 6, which key combination is used to deselect the selected area? Control plus D. These are the objective questions, and next class I will repeat the answer questions of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.